Environmental Science 1, Constituents of Food. Let us study. Before we move ahead with the explanation of the lesson, let us recall what is meant by diet. For what purpose do we need food? What are the different tastes that foodstuffs have? How do we experience these tastes? So let us see the answers one by one. What is meant by diet? The food we eat, or the food you include in your plate, that is your daily diet. For what purpose do we need food? We need food to gain energy. And why you need energy? For running, for jumping, for washing, for utilizing any different physical activities. For what are the different tastes that foodstuffs have? The taste that foodstuffs have are sugary taste, or we can say sweet, sour, spicy, bitter, salty. How do we experience these tastes? With the help of a sense organ, and that is your tongue. Now let us try this experiment. When you will do this experiment will tell you whether the substance contains starch or not. So materials required are a piece of potato, tincture of iodine, a dropper. What you have to do, take a small amount of iodine and mix water in it. Why you are mixing water in that iodine? Because iodine is in a pure form, concentrated form. So when you add some water in the iodine, it gets diluted, and we need this dilute iodine. Now use a dropper and put a few drops of it on the piece of potato and observe it. What will you observe? You will see that the piece of potato turns a blackish blue. Why the color has changed? क्यों उसका कलर ऐसे काला और नीला हो गया? Starch turns blackish blue. That means the potato contains starch. आलू में क्या है? Starch है. So when it comes in contact with iodine, then so we can conclude that there is starch in the potato. So when you are doing this iodine test, जब आप iodine test करते हो तो आपको पता चलता है कि पोटैटो में क्या है? स्टार्च है. और कैसे पता चलेगा? क्योंकि उसका कलर जो है वो काला नीला हो जाएगा, blackish blue. Another examples of the starchy food are sago, sweet potato, jawar, bajra, wheat, rice. These substances contain a lot of starch, and we get energy from the starchy food. Now, do you know that when we are eating this starchy food, जब हम ये starchy food खाते हैं तो वो डाइजेस्ट होता है, पचन होता है. After digestion, this starchy food turns into sugar. Sugars are formed. These sugars burn slowly in our body and they release energy. So we can say starchy food, when gets digested, they convert into sugar, and these sugar burn slowly, releasing energy. It gives energy to our body. There are two more questions for you. Can you tell what substances do we use to give our food a sweet taste? Of course, you will answer me sugar or jaggery. Jaggery means good. Of the foods that we eat raw, which ones are sweet? कौन सा स्वीट है जो हम कच्चा खाते हैं? रॉ मीन्स कच्चा. कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो कच्चा खाते हैं पर वो स्वीट है? सो इट इज़ स्वीट पोटैटो और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सिट्रस फ्रूट्स, डेट्स, खजूर मतलब डेट्स. ओके, सो दीज आर सम स्वीट. दे आर रॉ बट स्वीट इन टेस्ट. इवन कैरेट्स का एग्जाम्पल है sugars. Now as we studied about starch, we conducted the experiment about starch. Now let us move ahead with sugars. Now foodstuffs that taste sweet contain different kinds of sugars. Now which are these foodstuffs which contain different kinds of sugars? Table sugar and jaggery. These are obtained from sugar cane. and it contains sucrose. There are different kinds of sugar. Example, sucrose, fructose, lactose. But in table sugar and jaggery, you will find sucrose. Now there are another examples of sugars. Now if fruits are there, it will contain a type of sugar called fructose. If milk is there, it will contain lactose. So here these are some examples of various kinds of sugar. Example, mango, banana, chiku, that is sapodilla, milk and honey. Now let's try this. Materials required are a fine sieve, channi, some whole wheat flour, गेहूं का आटा. Procedure, sift the flour. मतलब यहाँ पे छन्नी में गेहूं का आटा डाल के छान लो. What do you see? आप क्या देखोगे? Most of the flour falls through the sieve, but some larger particles are left on the sieve. मतलब कुछ कुछ जो मोटे मोटे दाने हैं गेहूं के आटे में वो छन्नी में ही रह जाएंगे. So most of the flour falls through the sieve, but some larger particles are left on the sieve. What this is? जो छन्नी में रह गया वो क्या है? It is nothing but the skin of the grain, like jawar, wheat. They are ground into a flour. चक्की में पीसते हैं into a flour. आटा बनता है. Flour means आटा. The particles in the flour are not alike. They are not same. Some are large particles and some are small particles. These particles are fine pieces of the skin or barn of the grain. Skin मतलब जो गेहूँ है या जवार है या बाजरा है, जब हम उसका आटा पीसते हैं तो ऊपर का जो उसका स्किन रहता है उसको बोलते हैं barn of the grain. दिस बान इज़ अ फाइब्रस सब्सटेंस. तो वो ये स्किन में या बान में क्या होता है? इट कंटेन्स फाइबर और इट इज़ अ फाइब्रस सब्सटेंस. इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन, अगर हमें कोई चीज़ हम खाते हैं और वो पचना चाहिए फॉर डाइजेशन, सो व्हाट वी रिक्वायर फाइबर. इट हैज़ अ स्पेशल फंक्शन. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द फंक्शन ऑफ अ फाइबर? Example, I will take and explain you. Now over here you can see fiber, how it is having a special function. In case if you eat a morsel, अगर आपने खाना खाया, एक निवाला लिया, निवाला कहाँ जाएगा? पेट में, stomach. Then it will go into a small intestine. Here the food is digested. इधर वो खाना पचता है. तो जो खाना पचाने में मदद करता है वो है फाइबर. So you should eat fiber rich food. Then the undigested food which is there, it will come into a large intestine. जो खाना पचता नहीं है वो कहाँ जाएगा? लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में. फिर वो जाएगा नीचे. तो उसको मदद कौन करता है नीचे लाने के लिए? वो है फाइबर रिच फूड. सो द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड विच इज़ देयर, इट विल कम डाउन थ्रू द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. और कहाँ जाएगा? वो एक बैग है, उसको बोलते हैं रेक्टम. दिस अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड इज कलेक्टेड इन टू द रेक्टम and then it will come out through the anus. And what it is a stool, or we can say you go in the morning for a daily routine, you urinate. तो यूरिन है या आप उसको पॉटी बोलते हो या उसको क्या बोलते हो? स्टूल इज फॉर्म्ड. सो ये स्टूल इज फॉर्म्ड and this fiber which is there, it helps to move with a proper speed, and that's why fiber rich food is very important. And this fiber is also called roughage. Now there are fruits and vegetables. The skin of the fruits, whole grains and pulses are all sources of fiber in our food. In case if you are not eating fiber rich food, अगर आप fiber rich food नहीं खाते हो, फिर क्या होगा आपको? आपका पेट दर्द होगा. It can lead to कॉन्स्टिपेशन. फिर आप पॉटी जाओगे तो आपको पॉटी नहीं होगी. मतलब क्या है? आपका पेट फूल गया है, कॉन्स्टिपेट हो गया है. इट विल लीड टू कॉन्स्टिपेशन. सो यू शुड इंक्लूड इनफ ऑफ फाइबर इन योर फूड. सो व्हाट वी स्टडीड अप टिल नाउ, वी लर्नड अबाउट 3 types of substances. We studied about starch, we studied about sugar, and we studied about fiber. So all these 3 substances, starch, sugar and fiber, are nothing but your carbohydrates. They are known as carbohydrates. So what will come under carbohydrates? starch, sugar and fiber. Thank you.